everyone, I'm Steph Mitchell, Senior Product Experience Specialist.
And I'm Rebecca Miller, Senior Culinary Content Associate, and we're so excited to talk about all the accessories for the Deluxe Air Fryer and Oven.
Let's start off with what comes with the oven. First, you get 2 crumb trays. These go in the bottom of each compartment to help catch crumbs and drippings.
You'll also get 1 sheet pan. This is great for meat, vegetables, and other foods that drip while they cook. It also keeps the top compartment clean and helps evenly distribute heat when you're making toast. You can also use the sheet pan on top of the crumb tray to catch extra drippings. While the crumb tray alone can catch up to 1 cup of drippings, you will want the sheet pan for extra coverage when making greasy foods like bacon.
Absolutely. The oven also comes with a wire rack. Use this for larger foods that don't drip when they cook, like a baked potato, or to place the sheet pan on.
And finally, it comes with 2 air fryer racks that are awesome for air frying in the bottom compartment. The holes in the racks let more airflow around your food, which means it turns out deliciously crispy.
One of my favorite things about this appliance is that you can use foil and parchment paper with it. Lining the sheet pan with parchment paper makes cleanup easy, and being able to use foil on the air fryer racks gives you another solid cooking surface.
You'll want to avoid cooking with wax paper because it's not heat resistant. And when you choose an oil to cook with, look for one with a high smoke point so you avoid smoking or residue buildup. Avocado, sunflower, or vegetable oil are all great choices.
When you use the bottom compartment, rotate the racks and flip the food halfway through the cook time. The oven will prompt you to flip food. The compartment's heating element is only on the right, so turning the racks ensures even cooking. In the top compartment, there's no rotation or flipping needed because the heating elements are on both the top and the bottom. And we'll be back soon to share even more tips and tricks with you.